In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint as background in Zoom. If you've ever wanted to present your slides while staying on camera without juggling screen shares and windows, this built-in Zoom feature makes it simple. All you need is the Zoom desktop app and a PowerPoint file saved on your computer. For the smoothest experience, make sure your app is up to date, your lighting is decent, and your slides use clear fonts and good contrast. Start by opening your meeting and looking at the toolbar along the bottom of Zoom. Click Share. This opens the Share window, where you normally pick a screen or an app to share. Instead of the default options, look at the top of this window and click Advanced. That tab reveals some powerful sharing choices designed for specific scenarios, including the one we want. Here, you'll see the option to use PowerPoint as a virtual background, which lets Zoom layer your video in front of your slides, almost like a newscaster. With the Advanced tab open, click Share. Zoom will then prompt you to locate the file you want to present. Choose a file from your computer, ideally a .pptx saved locally, rather than from a cloud folder for faster loading, and let Zoom process it for a moment. Once it loads, your camera feed will appear on top of your slides. You'll notice simple on-screen controls to navigate, and you'll be able to position your video so it doesn't cover key text or images. If you see your video overlapping important content, drag it to a corner with more empty space, and keep a small margin from the slide edges to avoid cropping in certain layouts. If your room is dim or your background is busy, consider simplifying your environment so your audience's focus stays on you and your message. A few quick tips to keep things looking polished. Use large, high-contrast text so it remains readable behind your video tile. Avoid placing critical bullet points in the lower right if that's where you prefer to appear. And minimize heavy animations or embedded media if your computer struggles with performance. If you rely on presenter notes, have them open on a second device or printed nearby, since the slides themselves are front and center here. That's it. By clicking Share, selecting Advanced, confirming Share, and choosing your file, you can present confidently with PowerPoint as your background in Zoom, keeping your audience engaged with both your slides and your on-camera presence.